Neutral, affordable, easy, and fast makeup. That's what we're doing today. I'm gonna put myself on the timer and we're gonna see how long this actually takes. So ready, set, go. First step is the Milani eyeshadow primer. And since I'm doing all drugstore, this is definitely the best option, I think, at the drugstore. And you're gonna see me bounce around all over from eyes to face, back to eyes, and that is because we're on the clock. So going to blend that in, and then, while that has time to set, going in with foundation. Now I did already pre-mix 2 shades of the Revlon Illuminance foundation, and I'm gonna list those shades and all of the colors of everything I'm using down below. I can tell you what I'm using, but to stop and actually look at some of these shades, you know, I'm on the clock. And I really want this to be an actual fast makeup look. I've watched several of these types of videos lately claiming to be 5-minute makeup, and you know, they're skipping over stuff and saying that they can do a lot of stuff in 5 minutes, and I'm thinking, whoa, I know I can't do that. So I want this to be achievable. And as you can see, I am moving pretty fast. I don't typically love doing my makeup this fast, but I know some of you do. So I'm doing this one for you. All right, taking the nude shade from this Essence Nude palette. I just need this under my brow. And then my eyeshadow palette for today, using the CoverGirl, one of these quads, and I love the combination of those 2 center matte shades, using the Morphe M504 brush for this. And I'm just putting this all through the crease. This would be similar if you did like a bronzer and your blush through the crease. Kind of gonna give you the same effect. But I always like to be careful what I'm using on my eyes, because there are certain things that are not meant for use on the eyes, including our blushes and most of our bronzers. So just be cautious about that. And then in this same palette, it has 2 shimmer shades, and I'm gonna mix those 2 together and apply those. And oops, I already forgot. I have been practicing this look and trying to figure out how to make things go faster, because oh my goodness, time just goes so fast. So if you think you do your makeup in 5 minutes, put yourself on a clock, see how long it really takes. All right, I'm gonna go back to under the eyes. And I did use a little bit of almond oil for my eye cream, just to, or I should say instead of my eye cream, just to prep my under eyes here for my color corrector. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal Corrector in Peach. And then for concealer, I'm using the Revlon 5-in-1 Skin Awaken concealer, and maybe I'll probably be putting these up on the screen so you can see them. I know it's hard as I'm moving so fast to know exactly what I'm using, so I'll do that for you. But you can see how I love this concealer. It works in so quickly, and that foundation, I have actually been so surprised that I've liked it, because it is a little more illuminating, but it does settle down, and when it's powdered, it stays really nice throughout the day. All right, we are now concealed. So I'm gonna go back real quick to the eyes, and I'm going to actually curl my lashes next. And this is because I notice sometimes if I apply eyeliner and then curl my lashes, sometimes it takes off the eyeliner. And we worked really hard at putting that eyeliner there. So now I'm using the Pixie Endless Silky Eye Pen It's actually a pencil in black cocoa, and oh, getting a little crazy there. When I am in a hurry, I don't want to have to do anything real precise. So I'm just really putting this in the roots of the lashes. Some of you might wonder why I'm even bothering with liner. And I have downturned hooded eyes. And so I just need this little bit of lift here in the outer corner. And so I just like to smudge a little bit. It also helps me not feel like I need quite as much mascara. So you can skip liner, save yourself another minute or two. How long have we, okay, we're not doing too bad, but I still have brows, mascara, we got a powder, we got a lot to do. So I'm going to try to finish the eyes here real quick. And use your fingers, smudge that liner in. And then I love this Morphe M432 brush. Just really soft in the lashes. It's not sticky or stickery, I should say. Sticky. I hope it's not sticky. All right, and then I'm gonna go back to our eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use the brown, just the kind of warm brown there, and just set this. Now, the other thing about fast makeup for me that's really important is I need it to last all day. And I also want to look that when I see myself in the mirror, I'm not going, oh, I wish I would have taken an extra 5 minutes. You know what I'm saying? So this is a look that I feel confident in going to the grocery store. I could also go out to lunch with the ladies. It's nice and light, but also long wearing. And one more blend. Oh, okay. Now I'm gonna go in with that inner corner shade. Let's just put some inner corner highlight there, brighten the eyes. This is such a great palette. I think this is my favorite of all of the CoverGirl ones. Okay, now we're going to powder. I'm wasting precious seconds here. All right, I'm using the Honest Beauty powder here. I guess since I'm showing you these images on the screen, I don't actually have to hold up the product. That will save me some time, right? And I'm going to pat this in. So you can see, even though that foundation has quite a bit of glow, you can, if you're a combination girl like me, and then set it down. You can just do a T-zone if you wish. And then under the eyes, I am using a little bit of the e.l.f. HD setting powder, and I just do this because it's a little lighter weight than the Honest Beauty one. Ooh, throwing things around. All right, going in with this Physicians Formula contour palette. And we're just gonna add a little bronzer, contour all in one. This is a really nice new addition to their line. I'm not sure if it's permanent or limited edition, but I hope they keep this, and I hope they continue to do more little palettes like this. They've done the really huge ones before, but I like this. Oh dear, okay. Now I'm aiming for 10 minutes, but if it goes a little beyond, it's okay. Because again, I want this to be realistic. So usually if you have 10 minutes, you might also have 12, right? All right, using this Essence blush, and this is just a really nice natural pink on me. So I feel like it works no matter what I'm wearing, and kind of just gives the cheeks a nice bit of color. All right, now we need some brows. Now this is, I think it's called Your Best Friend liner. I did get this off Amazon, but it's very inexpensive. It's, I think, a dupe for the IT Cosmetics Universal Brow, because it just comes in one shade, and depending on how much pressure you put on determines how dark the color is. So, and it's, for me, usually very quick and easy to apply. So I've really enjoyed this for those days when I am really running behind. I do have a couple of other pencils I do love, but those take just a smidge longer. Now, this is another area that I feel like many times you see people skip the brows because they have full brows or they have microblading. If that's you, again, you're gonna save some time, but I think most of us, our brows need a little help. And this to me is one of the essentials in helping my look kind of look more polished and put together, but yet not overdone. All right, using the NYX Control Freak Brow Gel. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this. This is pretty good, it's clear. I experimented with using a tinted brow gel, and sometimes that just gets a little crazy when I'm in a hurry. L'Oreal Voluminous Primer for mascara, just on the upper lashes. Again, something that just really helps the mascara build volume and length a little quicker. And this is a really good one from the drugstore. All right, we're 11 minutes in. Oh dear. All right, and I'm using the Maybelline Falsies Surreal Mascara. I love this. So good. All right, and again, I have long lashes, but they are blonde. So I feel like I need to give my lashes a really good coat. So obviously we're gonna be over 13 minutes today, but I really wanted to give you a full and complete look. And if you like these kinds of videos, let me know down below. Give this video a thumbs up because I would love to do some more versions of this. I have a high-end version planned because I think it'll be interesting just to see how different products compare, especially when we're in a hurry. But I also want to do kind of a quick, like just a little bit of a colorful look and some other things, because I know in the summer we just like to get out the door and get on with our day, or if we're on vacation, we don't want to keep everybody waiting, right? All right, last is lips, and I am using lip liner, L'Oreal Infallible, and this just stays put all day. It's so good. And last but not least, I'm using Maybelline Vinyl Lip Ink, and this is a nude color. You could go in with a little more color. I'll show you another option at the end, but again, this is a lip color that will stay, and there we go. Okay, so a little over 13 minutes, but a full face of what I think is nice, neutral, natural looking makeup, but polished, put together. I feel like everything will stay in place. I have tested these products over the last several days and it's getting really hot here. So I know that these products do stay in place well throughout the day. Now to finish off this look, you know, I do need some earrings, so I'll pop those in. And as I mentioned, if you wanted to do a kind of slightly darker lip color that would also last, one of my favorites is the CoverGirl. These are the Simply Ageless Core Lipsticks. This is Everlasting Nude, and it's such a pretty color. It would give your lips a little more color than what I have here, but I wanted to give you all just kind of a nice neutral makeup look that you literally could do every day of the summer if you wanted to. Let's just fix our hair. All right, here's our finished look. And yes, I do have a little bit of mascara underneath the lashes to clean up, so I would of course do that. But all in all, I'm ready to go out the door. I have to say this has been good practice for me because I have been wanting to kind of shorten up my makeup routine when I need to. We have some changes coming to our household soon and I'm going to be needing to get my makeup done quicker. So I hope that you enjoyed this makeup look. And again, if you enjoy these quick looks and these timed, uncut videos, give this video a thumbs up. Be sure you're subscribed. Check the description box for all the products and I'll see you next time. Bye.